Hello everyone, my name is Larry and I'm helping people to transition from non-IT to IT and to change their careers. I'm talking about the courses at the Learnix Center where we actually help people to accomplish these goals. So today I would like to talk about scary things. Somehow when you mention IT, information technology, this is what IT stands for: computers, programming, coding, testing. People seems to freeze and get scared, and they think somehow that there is like a sacred knowledge associated with these professions and occupations, and only selected few are capable of doing something like that. Well, the reality is much more mundane and simple, and I hate to disappoint you, but there are no sacred knowledge or some kind of a mystery around that, and you do not necessarily have to invest years of education and tons of money into becoming an IT professional. As a matter of fact, you can start learning step by step. You can get your first job in 3 months, start getting a very good salary of maybe 60 to 70,000 per year, and start it that way. As a matter of fact, my own background, and this is what I would like to share with you, my background is not with computer sciences. My background is in physics and physical chemistry. I transitioned into the computer sciences later in life. And why? It was very interesting for me. That's the reason why I did that. And you can do that as well if you'd like to. So basically, we need to remember that just like any trade, computer sciences, information technology, can be learned step by step. When you come to the doctor's office, right, you interface with multitude of people, which could be receptionists and nurses and physician assistants and so on, right? Same thing at the lawyer's office. When you come to the lawyer's office, you can see the receptionist, you can see the paralegal. Same thing with any occupation, being that an accountant or any other professional. So basically, you see people doing certain jobs on their way to become professionals, right? In other words, today's paralegal is probably studying during the night to become the lawyer, or maybe he or she is studying to become a different kind of professional. We all are studying all our life. And here is another opportunity. You can learn how to become a software tester. It only takes 3 months and 2 evenings per week out of your life. And you can learn how to test software and programs that were written by somebody else. In other words, we are going to teach you how to identify defects and errors and bugs in the software, and all you need to do is to write a report, make a screenshot. And yes, those reports, they need to be in a certain format, and there is a way of doing that, like with any other occupation. However, it's very important to follow all these steps and become a professional. So this way you can get your first job, and then you can continue to learn. And we do have more advanced courses for people to continue their education and continue your journey inside IT industry if you want to do something more. But at least you'll be having a professional job, and you will be having a very decent salary, and you would be able to go and decide for yourself if this is the right path for you, right? So basically what I'm saying is perception is our reality indeed, and the way we think, well, that's how we perceive the reality. If we put barriers in front of ourselves, if we say, oh yeah, it's too complicated, I don't have mind for that, I don't have skills for that, I don't want to do it, I'm comfortable where I am now, I'm okay with my job and I don't want to move up, that's okay. I mean, I'm sure that there are lots of people like that. But if you want to change your life, if you want to do something different, then schedule a free consultation with us. Come, sit down and discuss what kind of options you may have. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I mean, I don't know how to change or improve one's life without stepping out from the comfort zone. If you do, please let me know. I'd be very interested to learn on how to do it. So anyway, contact us, schedule a meeting. You find our contact information down below, and we'll be happy to sit down with you and discuss options and see if this is the right career path for you. Thank you.